Hi, Donna. Donna, want go on. Look here, Donna. Donna, look here. Look here, Donna. Look here. Guys, we are going to come back right to what me that say. Donna Edwards, she's right in the comment section here. This is our book. It's sell on Amazon. Guys, I buy this book and I've been reading this book. It's almost like Cora own. This book is almost like Cora own. See it there? She's right here in the comment section. It's a good read. Me not finish it yet, but trust me. See how my fold there? Guys, it's a good read. Wanna go and support her. Go and support her. She's right here in the comment section. And this is her book. It's a true to life story. It's no fake story. And me I telling you that. It's no fake story. It is on Amazon. You can buy it on the Kindle and you can buy the paperback, right? Very, very reasonable. I'ma buy it and trust me. Why? When I buy it and read it, you will understand what I say. I don't want to talk out the book, but buy it and read it. You know when people go through some rough life, you know? Everything they write here so for you understand who is Donna Edwards, right? See it there. Donna, from where you me I look for you and I say, wow, how me not see you come on? But yes, guys, you can go and support her. You know say me not telling you no foolishness. The book sell on Amazon. It's similar story to Cora. Yes, back to where we are saying now. The name of the book, I Wasn't Okay. I Wasn't Okay.